Well, thank you very much. It's incredible for us playing here tonight. We've been together for about 7 or 8 years. We played our first gig in our front room in Leeds and never thought we'd end up somewhere like this, so thank you for making this night so special for us. Really.